Hello, everybody. 안녕하십니까, tanan. 你好，我是我是3大大大嗨马斯的玩你谢谢，所以个部分 Welcome once again to When World Reacts, when we talk and we react, talking SPL, GL, Ultra related, where that's a splash of K-pop, B-pop, and T-pop here and there. And whether you're watching this side on YouTube or on my Patreon, welcome back with Senior Hat. We're going to be continuing our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. And this is our reaction to episode 8 of Sashes and Hearts. Yay! Because in the last episode, the exploitations and the dark truths that Sir Lemuel has been doing, not just to Jack, but also to the other contestants, are now settling one by one, as Sir Lemuel has been being more and more obvious towards his treatment, and Jack seeks some help from I can't remember his name, but he's like one of the trainers in the competition, in which he told Jack that it also happened in the past, especially to him and to his other contestants, which is why Jack is now proposing or planning some plans in order for him and for the others to, unveil and expose the dark truths that Sir Lemuel has been doing. So I do hope that they get to do that, because Lemuel has been quite dangerous lately. And towards Jin and Jarrett, nothing much is happening to them just yet, although they are basically kind of official now, but yes, things still has to settle. And yeah, like Jack and Thomas are also kind of flourishing a little bit as a couple. So yeah, we just left off on the last episode with more truths behind, more true things and stuff. So let's just hope for the best that Jack and the rest of the gang will be able to expose them well, because he needs to go in jail as soon as possible, because he needs to be stopped, okay? He needs to be stopped. So we will see how things will go in this episode. And yeah, just also to remind everyone, also to the people in Thailand, happy Songkran holiday to y'all. I'm so sorry that I'm a bit late on a Sunday, but it is the Songkran holidays in Thailand. So even though we don't have it in the Philippines, because it is only in Thailand, happy Songkran to everyone who's celebrating it. I do hope y'all enjoying the summer with Songkran, because it's also hot in Thailand, and I wish y'all all the best, and may all of your wishes and blessings get true as y'all are celebrating the holidays. So enjoy Songkran holidays, Thailand. Huwag na patagalin. I'm excited, I'm intrigued. Let's continue our reactions to one of the hottest Pinoy BLs in town. This once again, episode 8 of Sashes and Hearts.
Thank you, Kaalala ako sa'yo sa Manila tour. Baka mabinat ka. What if wag na lang tayo pumunta? Magpagaling ka, alagaan kita.
Jin, 100% condition na ako, okay? Huwag ka na mag-alala, promise. Tsaka, excited na rin ako umuwi sa amin sa Manila. Siyempre, excited na rin akong makita ka doon.
Okay, basta chill lang tayo doon. Tsaka dumikit ka lang palagi sa akin.
Didikit talaga ako sa'yo, no? Ikaw, kailangan kong bantayan. Huwag kang dikit ng dikit kung kani-kanino doon, ha?
Ako pa nga yung binakuran.
Babakuran, papostihan, at ikakandado. Okay?
Uy. Salamat
Dahil?
Kaibigan pa rin tayo.
Oo na, kaibigan. Hanggang friends lang.
Yeah, stop it.
Kalimutan na natin yung nasabi mo ng birthday mo. yung feelings mong yan, nilipas din.
It's not gonna be that easy to Jack.
Oo na.
You're not the one in
Kaya
love.
dapat ako'y mag-sorry sa'yo eh. Kasi nirisk yung friendship natin.
Ba't ka magsasorry? Ito na lang.
No.
Basta, tayo pa rin ah.
Yan ka na naman eh. Ba-fall ka na naman kaya ako.
Jack.
Tayo pa rin magkaibigan.
Oo na, sige na. Sige na,
Eh.
ayusin natin to para matapos.
Sige.
Yung brief mo, dala mo.
Uy, ba't yung butas pa yung dinala mo, be?
Di ba para presko? Sige na.
Not the ones with holes.
Ano? Ang tagal pa ba yan?
Shh! Malapit na ako matapos.
Nalay na ako dito.
Dali lang. Gusto ko kasi kung paano kita nakikita. Kung gaano ka ka-special sa akin. Yun yung makikita dito sa artwork ko.
Tignan mo. Kaya di ka matapos-tapos, nambobola ka pa. Sakit na ng likod ko eh.
Malapit na ako matapos. Wait, ito na. Oh. Ready ka na?
Go. Ano ba yan? Bakit naman ako mukhang cartoons dyan? Ganyan mo ba ako nakikita?
Eh, hindi pa kasi ako marunong masyado sa portraits eh. Pero, sana magustuhan mo.
Right.
I like it.
Hindi ko kayo in-appoint as my officers kung ima-micromanage ko pa kayo. Goodness gracious! Sabihin mo nga yung si Mike at si Janine na ayusin to ngayong araw din, ha? Or else.
Mom, ayos ka lang ba?
Yes, anak. I'm just so tired of dealing with incompetent people.
Mom, yan kasi yung problema sa'yo eh. Ang hirap mo i-please.
Jean, anak. I want you to do me a favor, okay? I want you to find a nice girl.
Uh-oh.
Someone
Ay.
that can be with you. I'm not getting any younger.
Pressure.
Marami tayong mga negosyo at mga lupain na kailangang asikasuhin. You are my only son. At lahat ng maiiwan ko,
Uh-oh.
mapupunta sa pamilya mo.
Mom, hindi ko po alam kung...
You can manage well. Ito-train kita. I'll make sure that you'll be equipped when the time comes. Just find the right girl. Someone that will make you happy and give you a complete family.
There you go. We will see how things will go. Hey, pressure is on for the mother. Not just for the mother, but also for the children.
Alright, gentlemen, eyes here please. Attention on the pretty lady in front of you. First and foremost, my name is Jennifer. Although I know most of you are familiar with me already, kasi come on, who doesn't know me, right? And today,
Piningera.
I will be your host, / tour guide, / pretty friend. Excited na ba kayo? Can I hear
Asumera.
one malakas na palakpakan? Woo!
Right, Jennifer.
Don't worry, because I am assuring each one of you na mag-e-enjoy kayo today. Kasi alam ko this pageant journey of yours is gonna one heck of a ride. Kaya buckle up kasi i-explore natin today ang Fort Santiago!
Uy, inita ka ba? Dami mo pawis, no?
Ayoko na dito, ang init.
Bakit di ka magubad para hindi ka naiinitan dyan?
Sige nga, boys.
Mamaya na ako mag-ubad pag tayo na lang dalawa.
Daming tao. Ilan mo yan?
Stop it! Stop it, Jared!
As we enter Fort Santiago, you are greeted by Plaza Moriones. So everybody, are you guys ready? Let's... Perfect! Energy pa! More!
Ready!
Ready?
Ay, hindi sila excited. One more!
Ready!
Okay, let's go!
Ay, no, gusto ko doon pumunta.
Doon?
You are now stepping into Plaza Moriones. It was named after the Governor General Domingo Moriones. You get the gist.
Jared, kamusta na injury mo?
Okay na ako. Salamat sa pagtanungan.
Alam mo, may background ako sa physical therapist eh. Gusto mo, masayangin kita lalo para, yun, mas gumaling ka.
Here we go again. Oh my
Francis.
fucking god!
Okay na yung katawan ko, magaling na.
Alam mo, Jared, di mo sure. Malay mo, or ganito na lang. Pwede kong i-check yung buong katawan mo. Malay mo, may pilay ka pala. Masakit ba?
Talaga ba? Meron ka talagang background sa PT?
Meron. Yung boyfriend ng tita ko, ayun, physical therapist siya. Tapos sa kanya ako natuto.
Sorry, pero hindi talaga ako interesado. Tsaka, baka makatulog din ako pag minasahe mo.
Yun na nga eh. Hindi lang kita papatulogin sa sobrang sarap. Gusto mo, pag nagmamasahe ako, hindi lang kamay yung gamit ko.
Masyadong malakas. Ay, sumusobra na. Hindi nagpapamasahe si Jared.
Ano naman si Erpal. Alam mo bro, manahimik ka. Papayag na nga si Jared oh. Di ba Jared, papayag ka na?
Oh, ano?
The confidence that I am having on the Sunday morning.
Francis,
On a Palm Sunday.
hindi ako interesado, okay? Hard pass.
Next time. Ano next time?
Francis, wala nang next time. Tsaka, kaysa naman magpamasaya ako sa pamangkin ng jowa ng masahista. Tsaka Francis, once and for all, hindi talaga ako interesado, okay?
Alam mo Jared, you're lost. Kung alam mo masahin ko.
Your loss. Kala niya naman ganun ako kadaling makuha.
Pero ano yung sabi mo kanina? Kanino mo ba gusto?
I cannot with Francis. I swear to God. Francis. As much as I pity him with his other issues, he needs to stop.
And here we are, the famous archway of Fort Santiago. This gate has seen everything from the Spanish rule to the Filipino Revolution. Gets yun na yun, okay?
Oh,
My God,
Lord.
ang tagal-tagal mo nakakaloka ka. Ngalay na ako, girl. Anyway, sana nga ako. Anyway, guys, so alam nyo naman, meron kayong gagawing video shoot later. So, siguro time na rin for you guys to rest para makapag-rest na rin tong maganda kong paa. Kasi ngalay na ako, no? Naaawa na ako. So, sige,
Selfish
siguro mga
bitch.
ilang minutes na break. Mga, let's say, 2 is enough na, no? Enough na yon, correct?
Correct.
Okay, magagwapo na naman kayo, no? So, anyway, go.
Ang init no, parang putok na putok yung araw.
Di nang putok.
Pasabog.
Wait lang. Parang may mata yata ulit ako. Parang ako din ata. Go. Medic! Kailangan ito.
Grabe itong mga to. Ako na nga lang kaibigan ko.
Ayan. Yan talaga, medic. Medic! Tricycle! Tricycle, uwi nyo na to.
Ako ba? Oo.
Walis ka. Sige na, bala. Sige na, kami na bala. Ako di mabaho yan, mahal.
Init dito, no? Oo, bes.
I'm sorry, I
Last
just felt
na tayo.
uncomfy.
Pati ako. Bes, sobrang funny yung fitness challenge ng Aces of Kings, no? Mananalo na dapat sila, Thomas, pero tang ina, yung Francis na yun, pasabog. Literal na sumasabog yung kilikili.
Sinabuta yung sariling kasama, no?
lakas ng unlit dress. Oy,
Why is
Pero,
he still there? If it does-
happy ako
doesn't
na okay na
only
kayo
be
ulit ni
first?
Thomas.
Yan talaga.
Shouldn't be
May
disqualified.
oras pa para
Why
patawarin
they
ko siya.
not removing him?
Diba? Buo na tayong ulit tatlo.
Bababa mo.
Ayan, mas bagay mo yan.
Yo,
Ito ah.
are you done with him yet?
Why? Do you need some makeup artist?
No. Do I look like an Indian makeup artist? Put this on my body.
Yabang, no?
Ang ino, to hindi mo lang makiusap.
Look, apply it here, apply it here, and apply it here. Got it?
Okay.
Saya ka na naman, ah. Mag-stretching muna ako.
Alright, I will do it with all my heart and soul with both my hands. The left and the right, and I'll spread it on your chest, on your abs. And if you want, I'll spread my legs too.
Wow. Sounds pretty nice. Keep going.
Yep. He really is
Sa mga
a
ugali.
playboy.
In fairness, ha?
Masarap.
Sarap siya.
Sarap siya. Delicious. That is what you call pretty privilege, bestie. Pretty privileges. What is he doing? Not with the people behind. Like, Tony, we need to have a little decorum right there. Okay, let's keep things close, you know. At least Jack knows how to be professional. Unlike them. Oh yes, give me the pubes, yes. Yeah. Oh yes, give me the ass.
I fell out of my mind. Got
It is an eye candy for real. I mean,
all my life. It's a sin. Love is blind. What'd you do? How'd you get so pretty? Are you leaving?
or how many push-ups will you do? Yeah.
I don't need you to know. All the way down in the
Not Lemuel and Daniel.
push me out of control when the lights are out. You're mine.
Alright boys, as you've seen, napakaraming pwedeng gawin dito sa Fort Santiago, correct? Kaya naman, this time, kayo naman ang maggagawa ng video showcasing its beauty! Excited na ba kayo?
Yes!
Kulang ng energy, one more please!
Yes!
Very lalaki, period! Ngayon,
Very
magpalit na
lalaki.
kayo ng mga barong nyo and Gertrude here is, bahala na siya sa inyo, no? Ikaw na bahala dito, pagod na kasi ako.
Ang ganda mo talaga.
Okay. Sige, sila na.
Okay mga candidates, syempre magkakaroon tayo ng pinakabonggang-bonggang opening video! Ayan, at syempre magpapalit na kayo ng inyong mga barong. Gandaan nyo sa pag-post nyo. May paganon, 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 paganon. Diba?
Correct!
Maginoo, diba? Dapat maginoo para naman akmang-akma yung mga suot nyo sa Fort Santiago. Okay ba yan? Okay! Okay, magpalit na kayo. Pronto! Pronto!
Magaling yun. Like your energy, ha? Sabihin ko, Miss Nolly, taas.
So, I'm assuming you work out a lot.
Yeah. I work out pretty hard, actually.
And you have a strict protein diet?
a strict diet, and an even stricter workout plan.
They're both creepy.
I wonder
By the way.
how your protein tastes like.
Well,
Yeah.
it's pretty expensive, but they said it tastes pretty good.
Ooh. Ooh. They're both creepy.
Yes. What do you need from me? Because I need something from you.
And what is that?
You know it.
Okay.
You wanna get laid, bitch? Come
I
on.
think I know what you're getting at. So if I do this favor for you, you're gonna get me pretty far in the competition.
I'll do everything for you, Daniel.
Oh
Just
my god.
do everything I say.
Oh my
Okay.
god, Lemuel.
Whatever you want.
Make me feel like a virgin again. Oh, oh my God! I love it.
Lemuel, that is too much.
Dirty, talk dirty.
How dirty?
So
Your face looks like the moon.
that dirty.
But you said talk dirty, but okay.
Sexy kind of.
Do you like that? You like that?
I recommend you to all my rich friends.
As long as they pay well.
I'll give
I
you
also,
the crown.
I also feel disgusted. Like, they're very creepy. Very creepy. And he isn't
Daniel.
naked just yet.
You look like doing something funny, right?
What are you talking about? I don't see anyone laughing here.
No. You know what I mean. I saw
You know what I mean?
and my manager doing something funny.
Something funny.
I don't know what you're talking about. It's a public, area. I can do whatever I want.
Public
If I know
area.
what you're doing, don't regret it, right?
Look, I'm just here to join the pageant, represent my country, and what are you gonna do about it if it's true?
Oh, he's confident about what he's doing. You know, do not underestimate the power of Jack Colado. His name may be pretty dirty, but he knows what he's doing. He's more professional than everyone else. Not sobrang Latina. Okay, so for Latina,
Pero singkit ang mata, nagbabango ng pabango ng pabango. Kahit pawisan, sobrang fresh niya.
they look good in Balo.
Wala ng mga friends ko.
Yes.
Kasi iba daw ang nasa isip ko.
Yes.
Pero bakit ganon yung mga pogi? Parang ang ganda nila. Sobrang Latina tong Pinoy. Sobrang Latina tong Pinoy.
I actually feel bad for Francis if he really has all those issues. But he should be disqualified if he still has those issues. Because I'm telling you, it's not giving.
Sobrang Latina.
But they look good in Balong, I will say. That is one of our national costumes. Thank you, Bella.
Wala ng mga friends ko. Kasi iba daw ang nasa isip ko. Pero bakit ganon yung mga pogi? Parang ang ganda naman nila. Sobrang Latina tong Pinoy.
The lyrics are actually giving. It's a bit funny but
Latina tong Pinoy.
relatable as a Filipino.
Sobrang Latina tong Pinoy.
But they look good. They look really, really good.
Teka nga lang, umamin ka na ng feelings mo sa kanya?
Yeah, doesn't have any choice.
Diba nga, ikaw nga nagsabi sa akin na umamin. Pero nung umamin ako sa kanya ng feelings ko, ay, parang pinarusahan ako ng mundo.
Tapos ngayon, friends kayo. Pakagaling.
Siyempre, hindi ko matiis yung tao. Alam mo naman, mahal ko.
Mahal ko, mahal ako.
Teka lang nga, naguguluhan ako eh. Umamin ka sa kanya. Tapos nireject ka niya. Tapos ngayon, friends kayo. Be, ang awkward nun, be, pag magkasama kayo, aminin mo.
Awkward sa una. Pero, nasanay na rin ako. Feeling ko kaya ko naman siyang kalimutan. Feeling ko nga next week eh. May bago na ako.
Ha?
At nakalimutan ko na yung love ko sa kanya.
Teka. Ilang taon mo na siyang mahal?
10 years.
10 years? Tapos, gusto mo siyang kalimutan agad-agad? Be, hindi mangyayari. Napaka-imposibleng makalimutan mo siya agad-agad.
I mean, that is
Kakaloka
true.
ka.
Basta. Okay na kami. Mahal ko siya at kailangan niya ako, okay?
Aray ko po. Alam mo, be, may tawag dyan, be.
Ano?
Tanga.
Pwede namang martyr lang.
Yeah!
Pero ewan ko sa'yo, marupok ka lang.
Yeah. He needs to get his priorities straight. Like Tony Madeir.
Yes. Limuel. Yeah, parang close yata kayo masyado ni USA ah.
Oh, he's removing all of the formalities.
Hindi kita kilala eh. Pagkakamalan kong magjowa kayo.
Oh my God, Jack. Don't tell me you're jealous.
Hindi naman. Curious lang po.
Naka ba? Ikaw pa rin ang pinaka-favorite ko sa lahat ng alaga ko. Pinaka-yummy.
Plugin.
Nakayami. Bukod kay Daniel.
Of course not. I'm just being hospitable. Alam mo naman ako, I'm close with everyone. At alam mo namang, mahihilig lang talaga ako sa malalaki. I just wanna give them all a big impact.
Alata ka, mahilig ka sa malaki, sir.
And we have to go. Makipag-mingle muna ako with everyone.
Sige po.
Ew.
Ingat. Shit, di na-record.
Now go find other evidences. I don't think audio recording is strong enough.
Alam mo, Mi, isa lang naiisip ko eh. Kailangan, hanapin mo yung taong alam mong tatanggapin ka. Para hindi ka nasasaktan at hindi ka nabibigo.
Period.
Alam mo, Mi, ayoko na sa hookup lang. I am more than just a whole, no?
Yeah.
At saka, ayoko na sa connection na walang love. Pero kung yun yung available, magpapaka-choosy pa ba tayo?
Opportunities come and go.
Yun nga ang gusto kong sabihin sa'yo. Na kahit sa internet man yan or online man yan, kailangan kilatisin mo pa rin lahat ng mga ini-entertain mo. Dahil, kung nagtanong ka lang sa expert, edi sana na-solve na yung problema mo.
As a number 1 expert, anong advice mo sa akin?
Rule number 1, take your time. Hayaan mo silang maglaway at maghabol sa'yo. Oh, di ba?
Period.
Ganun ba talaga?
Yes.
Sige, hanap tayo. Saan ba tayo maghahanap?
Ayan, meron
Grindr.
dyan. Tingnan mo mamaya may magchat-chat
If
na sa
that's
atin
Tinder,
dyan.
then on
Ngunit
Grindr.
yan.
Oh,
Ayun.
ito. Married with 2 kids. Pass.
Pass talaga.
Ito. Twink. Iwasan, mapanakit.
Uy, cute naman sila minsan, eh.
Yeah, twins are cute.
Important ducks? Check na check!
Not the important ducks, oh my god! Not the big muscular bitches.
Okay na ako.
Yeah.
Upo ka nga. Bakit parang pagod na pagod ka? Tignan mo. Ang ganda-ganda ng lugar tapos nakasimangot ka lang.
Hindi naman sa ganun. Ilang beses na kasi ako nakapunta dito.
So, mabilis ka palang magsawa.
Sawa na.
Depende. I mean, pag turista ka kasi, minsan ka lang mabuhay. So, dapat alam mo, explore lahat ng bagay.
That's your privilege speaking. Alam mo, hindi naman lahat nakakapunta sa magandang lugar na to. Ako, nung bata ako, di man lang ako nakapunta sa mga magagandang playground.
Jared?
Yes, Jin?
Gusto ko pala humingi ng sorry dun sa sabi ko noon. I mean, I didn't actually mean it.
Ano yun?
Yung about sa sex. I mean, hindi lang yun sex. Okay? We were making love, sabi mo nga, di ba? And you were right. Sinabi ko lang yun para i-reject ka. Dahil takot ako sa commitment. Takot akong mahulog sa maling tao. Takot ako masaktan. Takot ako sumugal. Pero all along, tama ka. Naramdaman ko, ikaw yung para sa akin. You're right.
Jin, ganun din yung nararamdaman ko sa'yo, okay? Kaya, binigay ko na lang din lahat yung sarili ko sa'yo.
Paano ba yan? Boyfriend na kita.
Uy! Boyfriend agad?
Oh. No, may problema ba? Maangal ka na.
Wala.
Dapat lang. Ay.
So.
Thanks.
Drinks.
Di mo na iinumin?
Happy tayo.
Sige. Sigurado kong walang gayuma to, ha? Galing ko magpasok.
Pasok ko sa...
Oh God, ang sarap! The best ka talaga. Alam na alam mo yung favorite kong flavor.
Jennifer, what are you doing?
Dalawa yung flavor niyan.
Ano ba?
Jennifer, where are you coming from with all of this? They're just joking around. What are you doing, Jennifer?
Gusto ko pa, hati tayo or akin ang lahat?
Asya, meron ka na nga, pal ka pa. Ang kapal ng mukha. This bitch is two-faced, I swear to God. Jennifer! Yeah. My God, Jesus. Anyway, let's continue before I get even pissed with... My God.
Bro, ang saya ng trip natin, no?
Bro, gusto mo, tayo na lang.
Gago, hindi kita trip! Ano ba pinag-usapan? Sali niyo naman ako. Ayan, sali mo.
Tayo naman trip.
Di na, baho mo kaya. Tara na. Kadiri ka, tigilan mo ako. Minsan try mo rin.
Alam mo, ang arte-arte mo, tinan mo sa laki ng ilong mo, magbe-mix lahat ng amoy.
Kaya nga sa laki ng ilong ko, amoy na amoy ko kung gaano ka kaasim.
Dali na!
Maasim lang ba?
Diri ka, Vince. Doon ka sa kablang table.
Vince? Gago, ako si Vince. Ay, nakalimutan ko pangalan mo kasi hindi kita masyadong pinapansin.
Tara na.
Hindi naman
Pakusik ka pa
Pre, kadiri ka.
Tara na.
No, bro, try mo na. Promise.
Di ba?
Di ka magsisisi. Old Spice. Gusto mo paliguan ka nito? Ang baho mo.
Tara na. Agree kayong dalawa?
Yes.
Old Spice?
Oo, old. Ang baho na kami, parang nahihilo na naman ako.
Tara na. Tara na.
Try mo na. Please. Okay na ako.
Mahilig ka sa ganyan, di ba?
Ngiti ka nga. Oh, may brace. Oh, mahilig ka sa mga... Baho mo, pabango mo.
Daddy, I'm exposing, bro.
Tingnan mo, amoy mo ako, ganito mabango. Ikaw, ang baho-baho mo.
Bakit ganun ka?
At least they're getting along. And even they joke, everything about it, it's all the...
Nasa pageant tayo, wala tayo sa bastion, ha?
It's all that matters to...
Sabi mo bang tumataba na ako?
Not to body
Hindi naman sa
shaming.
ganun. Sige na, kumain ka na. Kailangan mo yan. Ay, teka nga pala, tol. So, sa Taguig ka talaga lumaki?
Actually, sa Laguna ako. Pero recently, I'm in Taguig talaga. So, I'm representing Taguig na.
So you're representing Taguig?
Yes.
Ikaw?
Of course, fluent.
Yeah, Manila. Wow. Oo, Manila. Simula bata pa ako, dito na talaga ako. Hanggang sa mag-graduate ako, dito talaga.
Baka pwede mo naman ako i-tour dito sa Manila.
Oo naman. Suma ako pa maging tour guide mo.
Sige.
Kasi yung tour guide natin, napapansin ko lang, parang medyo touchy.
Not Thomas noticing.
Oh my God, Jean!
Jennifer!
Hurry! Move! Hi, Jean! Oh my God, ang pogi naman pala ng Mr. Pangasinan this year. So, kamusta naman yung trip nyo here sa Fort Santiago? Have you been enjoying? Come on, babe. Tell me stories. I wanna hear them.
Anong ginagawa mo dito?
Babe naman, I'm the host here, remember? Tsaka bawal ba?
Pwede ba? Layuan mo na kami.
Ang bilis mo naman yata makamove on.
Wait, what? They had a relationship?
Let me excuse myself, okay? Wait lang. Ihi ako.
So they were exes back then?
Nakakalok. Anyway. So, kamusta naman yung turon? Enjoy na enjoy ka? Masarap ba yung turon niya, ha?
Siya man ang ugali.
Sa bagay, mukha kang patay gutom. Yuck.
Yuck. Oh my God, Jennifer. Is that how, like, a beauty queen / an influencer do?
Jared. Papansin namin, masyado na yung close ni Gina.
Oo.
Too close.
Magdadidan din naman pala pakisamahan si Jean.
Ingat ka lang, ha? Nabalaan na kita.
Not Thomas. What are you implying, Thomas?
Bakit?
Thomas!
Si Jean. Malaro yan. Anak din ng mayaman, tagapagmana. Kaya niyang kunin ang gusto niya. Mabilis din siya magsawa.
Ano?
I mean...
Ingat ka.
Thomas, did you had any relationship with Jin? That's why you're saying that. I mean, Jared knows Jin more than anyone. But he may be right. Like, maybe there are some things to consider.
Alam mo, dapat bumili pala ako ng couple necklace natin kanina. Sayang, nakalimutan ko. Alam ko na, headlockin na lang ito mamaya. Okay ka lang ba?
Oo. Okay lang ako.
Ba't ang tahimik mo?
Wala. Baka nahihilo lang ako sa biyahe. At kailangan ko ng pahinga. Nakapagod din kasi today.
Okay. Sabi mo eh.
Bilis mo naman yata makamove on.
Si Jean, malaro yan. Kaya niyang kunin ang gusto niya. Mabilis din siya magsawa.
But I think he needs to be a bit more faithful towards him.
Ay, ano ba to? Hindi pala pwede yung pabebe sa dating app na to. Kakaloka. Kailangan mas maging aggressive ako. Ano ba yan? Buti ka pa, hindi mo na kailangan humanap ng pag-ibig sa social media dahil may Jean ka na. Bakit naman kasi si Papa ay pa yung naging kamukha ko, hindi na lang si Mama. Eh, ano ba? Kanina ka pa tameme dyan.
Wala, ate.
Anong mala? Kanina pa ako salita ng salita, hindi ka naman naimik.
Eh kasi, hindi naman nakabase sa itsura yung pagmamahal. Kung mahal ka niya, mahal ka niya.
Oh, ba't parang humuhugot ka naman ngayon? Anong nangyari?
Ate, official na kami ni Jean.
Official na kayo ni Jean? Kayo na? As in, kayo na?
Kami na.
They're really official now.
Brother!
Pero ate, ayun nga, nagdududa pa rin ako. Baka sobrang bilis ko lang pumasok ng relasyon na to kasi natakot ako eh. Wala akong kaalam-alam dito sa pag-ibig. Tapos, si Jean pa yung nakarelasyon ko.
Oh, anong kaso kay Jean? Ayaw mo pa nun?
We have an ex and a friend who's threatening.
G for guwapo. I for establish.
Establish?
Snobbish.
Jen.
Lahat. O, tapos yung nanay niya yung N. Nanay ng mayamang babae. Complete package na yun. Ayaw mo pa nun?
Eh ate, wala, hindi naman sa may hinahanap ako pero iniisip ko lang talaga, parang ang bilis-bilis ko mag-commit dito eh. Baka masaktan lang ako or baka paglaruan niya lang din yung feelings ko.
Ayun. First time mo kasi, kaya ka na-afraid, di ba?
Opo. Pero iniisip ko din eh, na baka napabilis ata ako sa pagmamahal. Baka mabilis lang din mawala.
Eto ha, you have to take it easy. Dahil pag biglaan mong pinasok to, at masyadong malaki at malawak to, madali ka mawawasak.
Malaki naman talaga ate. As in. Pero kinakaya ko naman.
Alin?
Ano bang tinutukoy mo?
Yung relasyon nyo.
Oo. So, ayun nga. Naisip ko, baka hindi rin kami magtagal kasi ang bilis kong nag-commit dito.
Alam mo, pag nagmahal ka, huwag puro sarap yung asahan mo. Dahil ang sarap, kadikit niya ng sakit.
True.
At itong tatandaan mo, baby brother. Pag nagmahal ka, ay dapat ay ipaglaban mo. Kahit saan pa yan. Sa mundo at sa napakagulo mong utak. O isip.
Period.
Gets mo na?
Is right.
Thank you, ate. Siguro, dapat isihan ko lang sa pagmamahal. At
Period.
Huwag ko masyadong taasan expectation ko. Kasi, baka ako din masaktan sa dulo. Baka ako lang pala yung nagmamahal. Masaktan lang ako. O mapaglaruan lang yung puso ko.
Mismo! Hindi mo kailangan makipag-unahan katulad ko. Take it easy lang. Tingnan mo ko. Send nude pics. Alam mo yun?
Hoy! Ate, ano ba yan? Nag-send ka ba ng scandal? Mag-ingat ka nga.
Ako, magkakaroon ng skandal? No way!
Mukha nga, parang wala namang tatanggap sa scandal mo, ate.
Oh my God. Oh! Not the notifications.
Ano to?
It's Jennifer's doing, right? It should be Jennifer. We will see in the next episode.
Grabe naman subuan. Ay, grabe naman subuan yan. Nakakaingit naman yan.
Nakita mo na ba? Aces of Kings scandal.
Ano sinasabi mo? Ngayon ko lang sinabi ng diretsahan sa'yo. Pero tagal ko nang pinapakita.
Come on, babe. I know that little Jared of yours is just a rebound.
Jennifer, what?
Mahal mo. Let's start over, okay?
Jennifer, what? Go, Jennifer, like, oh my God. I am really disgusted with this woman. This woman is nothing but trouble. And she's even causing trouble to the gays. Like, not on my watch, bitch. Okay, not on my watch, you fucker. Okay, Jennifer? Not on my watch. But yeah, that is that. That is all my reactions to episode 8 of Sashes and Hearts. You know what? Like, I go. Daniel and Noel are battling something out. Like, how do I feel about that? No, they're creepy and disgusting. Come to think of it, because Lemuel is such a player, and Daniel, whatever his name is like also a playboy that also loves to play along, so they're really meant to be. So even though Daniel is hot, I mean, not gonna lie, he is a hottie, but Gore, his behavior, the way he treats the contestants, and even the way he is treating Lemuel, even though to Lemuel it's more caring, but a little shady. Daniel is not the contestant that we should be fighting for. And Jack really needs to do a lot. He really needs to do a lot of this, because although it will get, his evidences will get stronger, because there will be more connections to Lemuel, since Daniel wants to play along with all of those lines and what he wants to do. So I don't know. But I do hope that Jack will be able to, find stronger evidences to really expose Lemuel, including that, because, girl, Lemuel needs to be in jail as soon as possible. He may be as powerful as he is, but he also has a weakness. I just know. Everyone has a weakness. So he better find it as soon as possible. Also, I don't know what to feel about, Francis anymore. They're already making fun of him already. And if he already has other issues, why is he not disqualified? Are we really gonna see him until the finale? If he has other issues, he should work on it. If he can't fix it, then get out of the competition. Because as much as I don't want him there anymore, I feel bad for him now that he really gets to be made fun of the contestants. I know that they're trying to be funny, but oh my god, I'm getting a little uncomfy with how they treat Francis and how they are treating Francis. And Francis also needs to step up. He needs to take care of himself. If he really has body odor, work on it, Francis. Girl, a lot of people are already noticing about your body odor and you're still not fixing it. Why are you still in the pageant? If you're already causing trouble to the contestants with your odor, what more about for the judges, the audiences? Girl, take care of yourself. Take care of yourself, Francis. We don't want you to get bashed anymore. Take care of yourself. Also, your behavior too. Because you're becoming a little narcissistic in my opinion. Okay, Francis? Francis, for the love of God, please work on yourself. Take care of yourself. Okay? And also to Jennifer, I'm also pissed to Jennifer. I thought we're just gonna be hosts here. Now we eventually know that you are the ex-girlfriend of Jin. You are causing scandal to the competition. And you're even jealous and envious of Jin and Jared. Oh my god, Miss Jennifer, do not be a pick-me girl. I've already seen these kinds of women before, and not on my watch. Although not all women are like that, it's just how the media is portraying them. But knowing her personality and how she's treating everyone, I'm disgusted. I'm sorry to show that on cam, but woo! She's making me on at this point. Anyway, we'll just see how things will go in the next episode. I do also hope that Tony will be able to find the person that he truly wants, because I don't want him to be mad and sad about the situation, but we'll just have to wait and see how things will go. Okay? So yeah, we'll just see how things will go. Also, by the way, happy Palm Sunday to my fellow Filipinos out there, to everyone who's celebrating. Starting tomorrow will be the start of Holy Week for us, especially to us Roman Catholics, where we tend to reflect on the learnings and the sufferings of Jesus Christ, in order for us to reflect and ponder on the things that we've done and to become better people. So yeah, happy Palm Sunday, happy Holy Week to everyone. Again, happy Songkran to the people on Thailand, to everyone who's celebrating it as well. I do hope you all are enjoying the holidays, and let's all have a prosperous week ahead. And we will see how things will go in the next episode. That'll be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed my reaction to episode 8 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly. Whether you're watching this at the YouTube or my Patreon. If you guys have this video, huge thumbs up or hearts. And tell me your thoughts about this episode. Do you guys like it? Do you guys enjoyed it? What are your thoughts about the episode? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Pag-usapan natin yan. And hope to see y'all on episode 9 of Sashes and Hearts with yours truly, along with the current MBLs, just and RB content. So stick around and stay tuned. With that being said, so to speak, thank y'all so much for watching and see y'all the next time. Bye-bye! Maraming salamat.